Everybody, some late night breaking news. Matic is currently breaking out, so if you guys are looking for a play, this is going to be it for the short term. Very easy on multiple exchanges. And if you guys don't know, I'm Michael Whitman. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get back into it. Now this is the 4-hour chart. You can see a nice breaking out. Let's actually zoom out a little bit here. I actually have an open trade myself at the moment. We're going to hop onto the 5-minute chart. Go back to the full screen here. Too much of a TV right there. Finally broke out. I'll try to post this video as fast as I can. And it looks like we have a good opportunity to continue this breakout. If it dips back down, there's going to be an okay opportunity for you guys to buy some right there as well. Don't be afraid if it pulls a little bit of a breakout, a dip, then rip. We did the hard work. We've actually broken out here. It's going to be stronger every single candle that closes above that level. But for now, this is a really good breakout opportunity. Matic is up currently about 7%. What your price targets are going to be for this one, though, we got to talk about that. Probably the best thing to do right now is actually just to go back over here. And let's just go back over to the 4-hour chart. There we go. Alright, there we go. You can see the previous breakout that we had. Next level of support, let me move this mouse out of the way. Next level of resistance, excuse me. It's actually going to be pretty close by at about $2.10, $2.50. After that, we start getting to the resistances all the way back up here at about $2.24. So keep an eye on this, especially with how Bitcoin wants to break out tomorrow or the day after, and Ethereum breaking out today. This is a very, very bullish sign for Matic. Last time it broke out maybe about 20 to 30%. So this time you could expect something around that area, maybe just 20% until Bitcoin gets its, act together, so to speak. After that, if we do manage to break above $2.24, then we can start going way back up here to these highs at about $2.70 and whatnot. That's going to be a real fun time. So guys, short term, look at Matic. It may come back down and die down a little bit. It's done the hard work of breaking that top. There's not going to be many whales trying to short it down. They're just going to let it ride out for a little bit. It's a good short term play. Thanks everybody, and see you guys a little bit later on tomorrow.